My life's been sad and blue for oh so long. Each day seems like a lifetime all alone. Strange to think that you could be someone who is all alone and waiting for someone to. Oh, how I've dreamed of love to call my own, to cherish me as I have never known. Should we meet, I know my dreams would come true, and loneliness would fade away, and we would laugh together just the way that lovers do. And then when you'd hold me tight, oh, I'd forget the way I cried myself to sleep at night. No more heartaches from that moment on. We will live for tomorrow, all the sorrow would be gone. You're everything, you're everything, you're even more than I could ever dream. You hold the key to happiness, you're all I need. Your love is everything to me. If love outlives eternity, I know that endlessly I'd follow where you go. Side by side, each day we'd share something new. You'd look into my eyes and say that we will stay together, come what may, as lovers do. And then when you'd hold me tight, there's nowhere I would rather be than in your arms at night, making precious memories for two. We would promise forever and forever we'd be true. You're everything, you're everything. You are the sun, the very air I breathe. I've told a million stars how I've loved you from the start. You're the song inside my heart. You're everything, you're everything. You are the sun, the very air I breathe. I've told a stars, how I've loved you from the start. You're the song inside my heart. You're everything. You're everything. You'd show me all the joy that love could bring. My reason to be living. You're my destiny. Your love is everything.